Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe XD prototypes for responsive user flows. First, open your Adobe XD application. Create a new artboard or open an existing project. Select the artboard you want to work on. To set up a responsive design, click on the Responsive Resize option in the Properties panel. Make sure Responsive Resize is toggled on. Adjust the width and height of your artboard as necessary. Add design elements to your artboard, such as text, images, and shapes. Select an element you want to adapt responsively. In the right panel, you'll find the Resize options. Choose Auto from the drop-down menu to enable automatic resizing. Repeat this for all elements that need to be responsive. Next, you need to create your prototype connections. Click on the Prototype tab located in the upper left corner. Select the artboard you wish to prototype from. Drag the blue arrow to the target artboard you want to link to. In the Properties panel, define the type of trigger for the interaction. Choose from options like tap, drag, or hover. Select the desired transition effect, such as slide or dissolve. Continue linking all necessary artboards to complete your user flow. Now, to test your prototype, enter presentation mode by clicking the play button. Interact with your prototype to ensure all transitions and responsive behaviors function correctly. If adjustments are needed, exit presentation mode. Make the necessary changes to your design or prototype settings. When you're satisfied with the prototype, it's time to share it. Click on the Share option located in the upper right corner. Select Share for review to generate a shareable link. Choose your sharing settings based on your audience. Copy the link provided and share it with others for feedback. Congratulations! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.